Now welcome back guys on our YouTube channel. This is the FX your mentor signing in. Now in today's video I'm going to be also explaining more about candlestick. Now this is the second episode for us explaining candlesticks, how they are formed, how they reflect in the market, and what is their reaction when you find them either on a support level or resistance level or supply and demand level or a trend line, resistance or support trend line. So stay with me still to the end of this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please first subscribe down and like this video before you watch it, or after watching it you can also subscribe. Now without wasting time, for the reliable broker we recommend you to use, the Phoenix structure at the moment. All the links are down in the description. Now in today's topic I'm going to be explaining more about candlestick patterns which are called spinning tops. Now spinning tops, small body candlesticks with upper and lower shadows. They are sort of like a doji. They signal indecision in the market. Now when you look at this, let me highlight them. When you look at these spinning tops, they are sort of like dojis. If you remember in my last video, I was trying to explain more about doji candlesticks. Now, spinning tops, they have a small body, but not compared to that of a doji, but they have a small body. Now, this small body is what differentiates them from the doji candlesticks. But spinning tops can be continuation candlestick patterns or reversal candlestick patterns. It depends on the location in which they are found. Now this is the main point. When you come across these spinning tops, it matters. If you come across these spinning tops on the resistance level, that means you're going to be expecting sellers to jump in the market. When you come across these spinning tops on your support level, that means anytime the price is going to buy. Why? We have experienced buyers on the support level. Now, indecision in the market sometimes brings some volatility, because we price action traders, we believe in whenever the market is consolidating, it's making a pattern to push it to the upside or the downside. It depends on the trend that market is trying to trend for. Now we must look for them at the resistance area to go short. This means selling, and look for them at the support area to go long, which is buying. Note, I made their demonstration because they look alike. So I got a little bit illustration of the spinning tops, not to confuse you guys. When you try to look at this picture of mine, I spotted a lot of spinning tops. This was an hour 14 frame, and they were spotted on my resistance level, like we told you. Now, when you look on this price, when you come back on this picture, this price here, which was a support level, you can see prices. We had a bullish engulfing candle, which is also a candlestick pattern, push the price all the way to this resistance level. Now on this resistance level, that's where we had a little bit of consolidation, where the market was making a lot of spinning tops, which means there is indecision in the market. We have buyers and sellers. They are trying to fight, but the market hasn't decided where the pressure is coming from. Is it the buyers or the sellers? But after the sellers took over the market and the price dropped all the way to the downside. But you can see the confluence came from the market making a lot of spinning tops. Now, for those who have been not differentiating about spinning tops and doji candlesticks, this is the right time you try to differentiate that these candlesticks, they differ. They are not the same. Let me hope guys you have liked this video and you have learned a lot, because we made sure this video to be short but so educative. Now if you have watched this video and you haven't subscribed, we recommend you to subscribe now, and also like this video plus commenting down the description we shall be uploading more videos like this, teaching more about candlestick. Now this was the second episode. We are going to be uploading the third episode. Let me hope you'll be one of the people who watch it.